Control Service is the premium service provider for Danfoss drives. Our highly experienced technicians provide the maintenance and training services at the manufacturer's standard level. All repairs, scheduled maintenance and troubleshooting procedures are done in our service centre placed in Krakow. The majority of problems are fixed within 24 hours from raising the ticket. This is possible thanks to our 24/7 service hotline, highly skilled technicians, large inventory stocks, as well as efficient logistics. All repaired drives are stringently evaluated under the dynamic load on our specialized load center to ensure high level of quality and longevity. We offer VFD rental units when our clients require solutions for equipment testing, temporary expansions, or stopgap replacement during the time-consuming repairs. Control Service, your guarantee of reliability.